Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to another video. Today I am at Insurance Auto Auctions, and if you guys are following the channel, I have kind of stopped doing business with them for half a year, if not more, honestly. Many reasons. I guess I could do a separate video, but the way the market is right now, it is so difficult to find inventory. Even at dealer auctions, everything is overpriced. And I'm just not willing to pay, you know, thousands over what the car is valued at or what I would sell it for. It just doesn't make sense. So I'm looking to get deals all over the place. That includes Copart, that includes Insurance Auto Auction, that includes, you know, Craigslist, Facebook, everything, including dealer auctions that I already visit weekly. And today I tried to bid on 4 or 5 vehicles. I tried to pick up a really sweet Mini Cooper with extremely minimal damage, but again, even here it went for too much money. So what I did end up picking up is a 2007 Honda Odyssey minivan. It is not a fancy one, no leather. I don't know if it has power doors or whatnot, but the damage is extremely minimal. It has a dent on the driver door, and maybe I'll pull it out with a dent puller, make it look a little bit better, and then just sell it as is, if there are no mechanical issues. So the vehicle has been paid for. I have the title for it. They put me on the list to pull this van out, and we're gonna wait here. Hopefully it's not gonna be too long. Hopefully within the next few minutes, van is gonna get pulled out, and I'm gonna try to drive it back to my lot. Well guys, here it is. So first thing that I already noticed is this is gonna be dragging, and it looks like they already tried to zip tie it. Man, and I always forget, again, I don't do business with these guys very often anymore, but I need to take out this clip and then somehow cut that right there, and then I could toss this in the trunk because this is gonna scrape the whole way to the lot. Okay, let's check fluids, let's get it started. Okay, what do we have? Where's our, oh, it's right here. Oh, awesome, at least this is cut. I was kind of worried about that one. But it looks like battery is dead, 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 dead. Or not, no. Okay, let's check fluids and then start it. So we have oil towards the top. Where's gonna be our coolant reservoir? Right here, although I don't really see much. Okay, whatever, let's start it and go from there. Awesome, it started on its own. Only thing I see is the TPMS light, no check engine light, seat belt, but that's totally fine. Rear on off, it's so hot in here. I gotta roll down the windows, do something because it is very hot in here. Awesome, this one does have the power sliding doors. I don't think any of these had a power lift gate, but I want to take a look. Maybe I'll find some scissors or something in here, and dirty carpets. You'll definitely need to go through a detail. A nice gentleman let me use his pliers, and I was able to take care of the zip tie, and I was able to take off that front cover. So it's actually right here making noise. Or no, there's probably another one scraping on the bottom. Maybe it's a storage box thing and something is a little bit loose there. Anyways, I just left. Let me clear the mileage. Maybe I'll go straight to DEQ. Take it through there, and hopefully it passes with no issues. Then I know I could comfortably take it to get detailed and kind of move on from there. But we'll see if it makes it. Temperature is dead center. I have half a tank of fuel, and I got a few miles to drive to the lot. I don't know if you guys will hear that. Yeah, there's something's loose underneath, maybe another piece of plastic, and something scraping. Something scraping. I am over 5 miles away from the auction, but I am heading straight to DEQ right now. And if it passes DEQ, then awesome. Next step is detail, and then I can sell this thing. So maybe this purchase was super good. I passed. Van is ready to go. The gentleman is giving me my pull-out slip any moment now. And then off to the lot we go. We'll take another look at this thing. Made it to the lot. Like I said, it passed DEQ. So detail, wash, and more or less this thing is ready to go. Look at that. Honestly, guys, I'd say this is a pretty darn good purchase for me. Like, the only damage that I see is the damage on that driver door, but honestly, it's not even that bad. Maybe with a dent puller, grab here, kind of pull it out. So it seems like, you know, damage went right here and it kind of caved this whole section in. Well, let's take a look underneath. What do we have that was making? Yeah. So this is what was scraping. This was. Okay, I don't know what that is. Maybe e-brake line or something, I don't know. Thankfully, it doesn't look like it ripped through. So whatever material it is, it's actually pretty darn sturdy. We have AC dripping right there because it is a really warm day out today. But I probably won't work because it's not unlocked. There we go. Looks like we have sunshades right there. Sunshade right here. I mean, not too bad of a minivan aside from that. Like I said, this is pretty much a base model. They come with leather. I think they have rear entertainment systems. This one doesn't, but it will go to a family that need a minivan. And well, honestly, guys, I do very well with minivans. It's kind of difficult to buy them, but there are a lot of larger families in the world, including in this area. So I never held on to a minivan very long, and I've had, you know, maybe 10 of them, so I didn't have too many, but every single one sold rather quickly. It wasn't, you know, a painful selling process. So I do try to buy them when I can. But like I said, everything has been so expensive lately that I'm resorting back to IEA and Copart, unfortunately. But it looks like this was a good purchase for me. Very happy with it. I'm gonna park it. And then I gotta do other stuff. And we'll probably resume with this video once I get it cleaned up, detailed, and we'll go from there.
Several days later.
Today is a beautiful day. I got the minivan picked up from the detailer yesterday, and unfortunately I didn't have time to take it through the car wash, so that's actually what we are doing now. And if it looks like I am rushing, I am rushing because the car wash I use, I have to get on the freeway and go over one exit, but it's like literally, I don't know, like 0.2 miles between one exit and the other one. Right around this time, we have a whole bunch of traffic. So I actually just passed that exit on my way to the lot, and there wasn't too much traffic. But I know it's gonna start packing and building up, so I wanna get there as fast as I can. Well, this is what I was slightly trying to avoid. And there's the freeway, so we have to go underneath this bridge and loop around. And it definitely wasn't this far back 15 minutes ago. But because it's just starting, I don't think I'll be here long, so see you guys at the car wash. Here we go, guys. We are in the car wash. So far, everything looks good. Everything looks great. When we get out of here, we should have a clean minivan outside and inside, and then go back to the lot, get it photographed, get it listed, and get it sold. And here's the minivan, guys, all cleaned up and ready to go. Minivan has been photographed. All I have to do is just list it for sale, wait for the buyer, sell it, and then tell you guys how much money I made on this minivan, and answer the question, is it worth buying minivans to flip them for a profit?
Several days later.
I would show you guys the lot, but there's cars that I don't want you guys to see because there's other videos being made. But since you guys see me, the minivan is sold. It took, I guess, a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I sold it for $5,400. and the only thing I did to it was take it in to get detailed and take it through emissions. So is it worth buying minivans to flip? I say heck yes, because I nearly doubled my money on minimal work. My profit was $2,500. Again, that's a profit not counting my advertising expenses, more or less not counting my time, just strictly looking at numbers. Regardless, it's a really good profit. So congratulations to me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it valuable. I hope you found it helpful. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing to this channel. And as always, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.